Ever wondered why your heart races when you're scared or why you feel butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous? This isn't just your imagination, it's a real phenomenon known as the mind-body connection. This is a psychological concept where our mental and emotional states can influence our physical conditions. Think about it. When you're stressed, you might notice your muscles tensing up, or perhaps you've had a headache after a long, demanding day. These are simple examples of how our emotions can trigger physical responses, but this leads us to a much larger, more intriguing question. Can our mind influence our physical health in more profound ways? Can our thoughts and feelings, our fears and hopes, our dreams and nightmares truly have the power to shape our physical well-being? It's a fascinating concept, one that challenges our understanding of the human body and mind. So, can our thoughts and feelings truly have an impact on our physical health? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating concept. Imagine you're walking in a forest and suddenly you encounter a snake. Your heart pounds like a drum, your palms sweat, your breath quickens. You're experiencing a classic example of the mind-body connection in action. This is your body's fight-or-flight response, an automatic reaction to perceived threats that has helped humans survive since the dawn of our species. Let's dissect this a little. The moment you spot the snake, your brain, specifically the amygdala, identifies it as a potential threat. This tiny, almond-shaped part of your brain is like an alarm system, alerting the rest of your brain to danger. The amygdala sends a distress signal to your hypothalamus, the command center of the brain that communicates with the rest of the body through the autonomic nervous system. This system, in turn, has two components: the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. The sympathetic system triggers the fight-or-flight response, providing your body with a burst of energy to respond to the perceived danger. It prompts your adrenal glands to release adrenaline, causing your heart rate to increase, your breathing to become faster, and your muscles to tighten. Essentially, your body is preparing itself to either face the danger or flee from it. On the other hand, the parasympathetic system acts like a brake. It promotes the rest and digest response that calms the body down once the potential danger is passed. It slows the heart rate, reduces blood pressure, and conserves energy. This whole process happens in an instant, even before your conscious mind has had a chance to process what's happening. It's an impressive demonstration of the mind-body connection, showing how our thoughts and perceptions can rapidly trigger physical changes in our bodies. But here's the kicker. This connection isn't just a one-way street. It's not just about how our mind can influence our body. It's also about how our body can influence our mind. And this influence can be harnessed in ways that can significantly improve our health and well-being. This is just one example of how the mind can trigger physical reactions in the body. But can the mind do more than just react to threats? Let's explore this further in the next scene. Consider this: what if you could use your thoughts to improve your health? It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? This is the power of positive thinking, a psychological approach that encourages a positive mindset as a means to better health. Now, how does this work exactly? Well, the idea is that by maintaining a positive mindset, we can better manage our stress levels. Stress, as we all know, can take a toll on our bodies, from headaches to heart problems. But with a positive outlook, we can better handle life's challenges, thus reducing the harmful effects of stress. Moreover, positive thinking is believed to boost our immune function. That's right. Being optimistic can potentially make us less susceptible to common colds and other illnesses. It's our body's way of saying thank you for all the good vibes. And overall, a positive mindset can lead to improved well-being. It's about feeling good in our skin, enjoying life, and embracing our potential. So it seems that our minds have more power over our bodies than we might have imagined. So, can our minds really influence our physical health? You bet. Let's recap what we've covered. We delved into the fascinating world of the mind-body connection, exploring how our thoughts and feelings can trigger physical responses. We saw this in action with the fight-or-flight response, a prime example of how our minds can send our bodies into overdrive. We also touched on the power of positive thinking. By fostering a positive mindset, we may be able to enhance our physical health and well-being. It's all about harnessing the power within ourselves. While further research is needed to fully understand the extent of the mind's influence over the body, it's clear that our thoughts and emotions can have a significant impact on our physical well-being. So the next time you're feeling stressed or anxious, remember, your mind is a powerful tool that can be used to improve your health in surprising ways.